Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we had discussed about the forms and we have learned the various type of inputs and how to handle that. What is placeholder, what is input type, and what is form tag, and what are the attributes like action, method. Okay, we have learned about the different type of inputs there. And what is radio, what is checkbox. We had not yet learned about the checkbox. Okay, we will learn that too. And yesterday we had one problem, right? Let's open the VS Code and run the yesterday's code, and the alignment of that code is not proper, right? Alignment is not proper here. Okay, I mean left side naming conventions, that label tags, and right side this input types as a boxes, they are not in a proper order. Okay, it's not looking good, right? So I want to align that in a proper manner. Okay, so today we are doing that alignment. Go to the VS Code and create a file as you are naming. Okay, I was giving the title as forms. Okay, forms 2, and let's take the form tag. Okay, let's take first, if you want to set something, let's take the table. Inside that you have to take, no, first we have to take the forms tag. Okay, form, and as a form we know that it will consisting action and method. Action used to, like, after submitting where the data has to go, and method is get and post, like if you want to get the data, if you want to post the data, that's the dependence. Okay, and you will be having like put and delete too. Okay, there will be the crowd operations. Let's take table. Okay, let's take TR. Already we seen the examples of table. If you're not aware of the tables topic, just go to my playlist of web development 2025. There you can see the tables. I have discussed around 3 days concepts like tables. Simply, what is a table? It's a 3 days concepts. Yeah, as we discussed as a table, TRTDs, and there we discussed rowspan, colspan. Okay, and just go for the TD. What I want to give username. Okay, let's, what is the username type? It should be the text, right? Yes, it's a text type. Okay, what we want to do, that I want to include placeholder, that enter username. Okay, enter username. Let's take another tr. In that, take the td, and let's take password. Take the input type and make it as password, and just take the placeholder. Okay, as a placeholder will tells us enter password. Okay, enter password. After that, let's go for tr and td and email. Okay, let's go for td and take the input type is email. Okay, and just take the placeholder, enter email. Okay, just come out of it that particular tr and take another tr, td, and phone number. Okay, let's take another td and input type. Okay, let's take what you want to take, num or tell, right? Tell. Okay, just use placeholder, enter mobile number. Okay, after that, gender, right? Let's take tr, td, and it's all about gender, and let's take the td. Let's take input type as radio for the gender, and you can make that value as name. Take the name as gender. Okay, value equals to male. Okay, and td is equals to input type as a radio, and name equals to gender. Okay, value equals to female. Okay, if I want to take male here, you can take that too, and if you want to take female, just take that too. Okay, just run the current file. We will see the output. Okay, yeah, we got it, but here some issues. Yeah, okay, just take it and paste it here. I think we will get here. Yeah, we got it. Just take that, copy the text and place here. Okay, it's all about male and female. If you're selecting this, it should not select. Yeah, once if I remove this gender, what will happen? Let's see that too. If I select it, it was selecting the both. Okay, that is a name is equals to gender. Okay, that means it was telling both are different functionality. Okay, next we are going for tr, td, and what you want to use, like games. Okay, let's use the games of td. First we have to select the country, right? Yes, td, and that is select city. Okay, and let's take another td and let's take the select. Inside that select, give it as reference of city, and after that take the option. If you want to provide options like Hyderabad, just give Hyderabad. Okay, let's take another option, that is Bangalore. Okay, let's take another option, that is Delhi. Let's take another option, that is Mumbai. Okay, these are the some options. Okay, select the city. If you want to make that some default value, like select a city, okay, you can say like select, I mean spelling mistake, select. Okay, or else you can write city. Okay, select a city, that will select the city. Okay, default it's a select city, and if you select the particular city, you are going to get it. Okay, after that let's go for the games, right? In td, like games, and td input type, like checkbox. Okay, and let's give the volleyball, and take another td, take the input, and text type is checkbox, and later you will be having carom. Take another and input type checkbox, and take boxing. Okay, why it was not maintaining the distance here? Because every time we are going to use two, right? That's the reason. If I take one more thing, what will be that? td input type checkbox, swimming. Okay, before that it was maintaining as per the particular things, and after that there is no um, another columns, right? I mean rows width, so it was resizing itself into the decreased value. Okay, and after the text box we want to take the text area. Let's take write something. Okay, write something. Let's take text area tag. Okay, and you can use like, okay, write something, but here about yourself. Okay, but what it was happening? Oh, why you got there? Okay, we need to take it in a td. Okay, let's take the td and place that here. Okay, you got it. but I want to increase its length. Okay, as a box length, what we have to do is that rows is 5. Okay, it's increased, and let's take calls equals to mm, 20. Okay, it's, oh, it was increasing only little. Let's take 30. mm, let's take 30. I mean, it was affecting the other parameters, right? If you're, this is a, it's a particular column's length, so if you're increasing the particular column's length, it was affecting others. So let's be head with 20 is good, and let's decrease the rows to 3. Okay, yeah, it's good. And next, what are the other things we have? Like date. Let's take date and td, and input type is equals to date time local. Okay, you got it right. Yeah, and at the last things, we are going to finish it with submit and reset. Let's take tr, inside our input type submit. Okay, and after that, take another tr. Okay, let's take another tr, and let's take td, then take input type is equals to reset. Okay, let's see that. Okay, it's better to keep that td in the along with the submit button. Okay, yeah, I want to take td as, no need to specify buttons, right? So I want to maintain the space, I was using simple td. Okay, yeah, I mean, here see, left side and right side alignment is proper. Okay, left side and right side alignment is good now, right? If you want to select particular things, you can select it. Okay, all is good, right? Yes. mm, you can write here, and you can select here, and you can select the city like Bangalore, and if you want to select that, select this, and name ABC, password. Okay, if you want to write the name, you can write the name as Prabhas, and you can write the password something else, and mail like Prabhas123, and let's leave it. Okay, and number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and let's select the gender as male, and basically Hyderabad, and volleyball Indian actor. Okay, just select the date. Okay, today's, and let's submit it. But here by default, they each one have their some predefined conditions, like if you want to write the mail, it should be like at the rate. Okay, if I submit that, it won't take at the rate gmail.com. Now if you submit that, it will redirect into the same page. Okay, that's the intention of it. Okay, I want to set the field set and legend to it. Okay, just come to the top, from the form to the form, make that copy. Okay, let's copy and set the field set. Okay, field set legend. Okay, inside legend, I want to take its employee data. Okay, employee data, and inside that I want to place this, right? But I want to move this employee data to the center. How you can move that? By using inline css style text align center. Okay, it's moved, right? Okay, therefore I want to align border to the table. Okay, just make that alignment at center. You will get this table. Okay, you are able to see the table how it was designed, right? And let's remove the border now. Okay, and okay, this is good. And what I want to do that, yeah, it's completed. Is you are missing anything else? If I want to color only the particular portion, we have to use the internal CSS. Just take the style tag, and if I want to set the field set, right, field set is occupying the total space, so target the field set and set the background color as some color. Okay, I will set it. And if I want to increase the size of the button, okay, if I want to increase the size of button, how we are going to use that? You have to use colspan to, okay, then if you want to set that center, align center. Okay, you will get that too. Okay, if you want to understand what happened, just go to the table and or the border. Okay, you will set that initially it was here, I was occupying up to here second row, so if I align that, it will align here. Okay, and this is about you forms. Inside we are applying tables concept. Okay, that's why I have told you tables are very important. In everything we are going to use the tables. Up to the uh, libraries like React.js 2, we are going to use the tables concept. It's very important in any thing for the front end. The most important concepts like forms and tables. Okay, they are very important. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.